Before we got the trailer, you used to have to ring up the OEM, get the part numbers, order it, then you'd be in the queue, so you'd be waiting. You could wait up to a week if they didn't have parts and that, where with the BOA trailer you can just, you got everything with you, build it on the spot and you're ready to go. Machine's up and running again, everyone's happy. The team at BOA are awesome. If any dramas, you give them a call, they've always got someone that's ready to answer the phone. Always up to date with all the emails and everything, and if the boys are coming out for a visit or anything, they're quite happy to pick up your stock from the warehouse and bring it out for you. And yeah, what's there not to love about it? The big machines, big toys, got cool gear, BOApods. No, the trailer itself, tow's great because it's all poly, doesn't rust. You don't have to worry about it up in the Pilbara with iron ore dust. Yeah, follows behind you, everything stays where it should. Just having all dividers with all the hoses, all the fittings, all barcoded, all 12 volt. So you just leave it out in the sun. You never have to plug it in. Charges on the run. Yeah, no, it's a great little setup. Before the BOA come along, we'd kind of exercise the option of having like stationary containers and all that, but you just don't have the flexibility behind a trailer. You can tow it out there to the job, where if you got a container in one spot, it makes it a bit hard. I suppose you got to drive back every time you need to modify something, or you got to go out and get it and come back to base, where with the trailer it's just all with you all the time. In terms of profits and everything for the business, it's all, yeah, as long as you're building hoses, you're making money, I suppose. Once you get your name out there and a few people in the area know about it, and it just snowballs and your work just keeps coming to you.